Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss concept of rounding, scientific notation, logarithm and anti-logarithm, natural and log scale. The total topics will subdivided into 3 video lecture. In video part 1, you will get concept of rounding and scientific notation. In video 2, logarithm and anti-logarithm. In video part 3, natural and log scale. As per the request of the students from Bengali medium, we will discuss this video lecture with English as well as Bengali also in some portion where needed. Please stay with us. Before starting this video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that the end of this video you will be able to answer all the question correctly. Thanks to all of you for subscribing the channel and watching other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. In this video, we will discuss logarithm and anti-logarithm in detail. As it is a part of mathematics, so you should keep your pen and paper in hand when watching the video. The basic idea of logarithm. A logarithm is a opposite of a power. In other words, if we take a logarithm of a number, we undo an exponentiation. লগারিদম হলো ঘাতের বিপরীত। অন্যভাবে বলা যায়, যদি আমরা কোনো সংখ্যার লগারিদম গ্রহণ করি, তাহলে আমাদের ঘাত বা সূচকের বিপ্রতীপ করতে হবে। Let's start with simple example. How many 2's do we multiply to get 16? Answer: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. So we had to multiply 4 of the 2's to get 16. So logarithm is 4. How to write it? We write the number of 2's we need to multiply to get 16 is 4, as log 16 base 2 is equal to 4. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 4. In the language of log 16 base 2 is equal to 4. Here base is 2 and logarithm is 4. Base এর বাংলা হলো পাদক বা ভিত্তি, এবং লগারিদমের বাংলায় আমরা লগ বলে থাকি। The number we multiply is called base. So we can say the logarithm of 16 with base 2 is 4, or log base 2 of 16 is 4, or the base of 2 log of 16 is 4. যে সংখ্যাটি আমরা গুণ করি তাকে আমরা বেস বা পাদক বলি বা ভিত্তি বলে থাকি। সুতরাং আমরা এই সমীকরণকে ভাষায় প্রকাশ করলে বলতে পারি 2 পাদকযুক্ত 16 লগ হলো 4, বা 2 পাদকের 16 মূলকের লগ হলো 4 বা 2 পাদকের 16 সংখ্যার লগ হলো 4. Here the base in Bengali it is padok বা ভিত্তি. Here the 3 number, 2 is base. The logarithm, how many time we multiply? Here 4. How many time we multiply? And the output here the 16. Here the 16. So next, definition of logarithm. If a is an any positive real number except 1, n is any rational number and a to the power n is equal to b, then n is called logarithm of b to the base a. It is written as log b base a যদি a এক ছাড়া কোনো ধনাত্মক প্রকৃত সংখ্যা হয়, n কোনো অকরণী সংখ্যা হয় এবং a টু দি পাওয়ার n ইজ ইকুয়াল টু b হয়, তাহলে n হলো b এর লগারিদম যার পাদক a. তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি a টু দি পাওয়ার n ইজ ইকুয়াল টু b যদি এবং কেবলমাত্র log n log b বেস a ইজ ইকাল টু n. এ পাদকের b সংখ্যার লগ হলো n. এ পাদকের b সংখ্যার লগ হলো n. উই ক্যান সে a টু দি পাওয়ার n ইজ ইকাল টু b if and only if log b base a is equal to n. Now a to the power n is equal to b, this is a exponential form. This is a exponential form. Clear? And log b base a is equal to n is called logarithmic form. This is the logarithmic form. Exponential form and logarithmic form. Two are closely related. We will discuss later. Example of logarithm. Here 3 example. Log 8 base 2 is equal to what? Log 64 base 2 is equal to what? Log 265 base 5 is equal to what? Explanation and answer. In the question 1, how many 2's do we multiply to get 8? Answer 2 into 2 into 2. That is 3 2's. So the logarithm is 3. The answer will be log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. In question 2, answer is here, how many 2's do we multiply to get 64? In the same way, we get 64 by multiplying 2 in 6 times. So the logarithm is 6. So we can write log 64 base 2 is equal to 6. In the question 3, log 625 base 5 is equal to what? That is, the question asks how many 5's do we multiply to get 625? The answer is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 625. It will be 625. So we had to multiply 4 of 5's to get 625. So logarithm is 4. That is log 625 of base 5 is equal to 4. In this way we can calculate the log sum. কনসেপ্ট অফ এক্সপোনেন্ট, এক্সপোনেন্টের ধারণা। এক্সপোনেন্ট অ্যান্ড লগারিদম আর ক্লোজলি রিলেটেড। হোয়াই অ্যান্ড হাউ ইট ইজ ক্লোজলি রিলেটেড? 2 to the power 3. Here 2 is base and power 3 is exponent. Exponent is in the power form. The exponent says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. Here 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, it will be the power form. It will be the power form. So 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So 2 is used 3 times in a multiplication to get 8. So a logarithm answer a question like this. 2 to the power what is equal to 8? Here 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. The power will goes to the log form and the output comes to the log of that particular number and 2 is come to the base. So we can say log 8 of base 2 is equal to 3. In this way, the logarithm tells us what the exponent is. Concept of exponent continued. In the previous example, base is 2 and exponent is 3. Just write this. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Here log form is log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. The exponent goes to the log form, answer form, and base to the which number we have to multiply goes to base form. Okay. So we can generalize the formula. A to the power x equal to y, then log y base a is equal to x. Most important part, very very important. A to the power x equal to y, then log y of base a is equal to x. Example of both exponent and log. Example 1, exponential form 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. So we can write here log 9 base 3 is equal to 2. Here 5 to the power 4 is equal to 6 to 5. So we can say in logarithmic form log 6 to 5 of base 5 is equal to 4. 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. We can read log of 1 base 7 is equal to 0. 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 divided by 8. So we can read log of 1 by 8 base 2 is equal to minus 3. 10 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. We can read log of 0.01 base 10 is equal to minus 2. Logarithm is the opposite of a power. In other words, if we take a logarithm of a number, we undo an exponentiation. Logarithmic rules. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Since a to the power 0 is equal to 1, then log 1 base a is equal to 0. Log a base a is equal to 1, then a to the power 1 is equal to a, then we can say log a base a is equal to 1. Log x base a is equal to log y base a, then x is equal to y. Logarithm of the base of 10 are called common logarithm. If no base is given, the base is always taken as 10. For example, log 2 is equal to log 2 base 10. Log of a negative number is equal to undefined. 3 standard law of logarithm. Law 1, log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. This is the product law. Law 2, log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a is equal to quotient law. And log m to the power n base a is equal to log n log m base a. This is the power law. Common logarithm. Sometimes logarithm is written without a base, like log 100. The usually means that the base is really 10. So we can say how much time we need to use 10 in a multiplication to get the desired number 100. In example, it is 2. So log 100 is equal to 2. In the same way, log 10000 is equal to 4. That is log 1000 is equal to 4. In calculator, just press the button log, then 1000, then is equal to, the answer will be 3. Here log 1000 is equal to 3. We can easily use the calculator by pressing log button. This is the log button in our calculator, scientific calculator. Here the natural logarithm base e. Another base often used by mathematician is e, Euler's number, which value is about 2.71828. It is called a natural logarithm. In calculator, it is represented by in button. It is how many times we need to use e in a multiplication to get the desired number. For example, log e 20.0855 is equal to in 20.0855 is equal to 3. Here we use the calculator. Answer is 2.71828 to the power 3 is equal to 20.0855. Here we in button, here the in button, if you press in, then 20.0855, then equal to, then you will get 3. Actually 2.9999, that is equivalent to 3. Okay, it is in calculator, it is 2.9999. It is easy. Next, calculation of logarithm by using calculator. Most important, division and multiplication. Here the division rule, how to divide the number by using log in calculator. By using calculator log, here 9876 divided 1234 is equal to directly this number. Okay, but we should use log function. Then log 9876 is equal to 3.0 99458. Then log 1234 is equal to 3.09131. Subtract, then subtract, it will be 0.90327, and then anti-log, shift log, that is shift log. In calculator, just press shift log. Okay, then it will be 0.90321 is equal to 8.00332. In multiplication rule, 9876 into 1234 is equal to 12186,984. By using calculator, log 9876 is equal to 3.99458, and log 1234 is equal to 3.09131. Then add, it will be 7.08589. Anti-log, that is shift log, 7.08589, it will be 121812186,809, nearly this figure. Okay, by using log function we can calculate the division and multiplication. Now here log 234 to the power 6 will be what? Here the example, log 26 into, here 26 into log 234. So we can calculate in this manner, log 26, and it will be 1.41497,338, and log 2.36922 is equal to 0.37460463. Then add these, it will be 1.78957801. Then anti-log, that is shift log, 1.78957801, it will be 61.59961,684. Okay, then in this way we can calculate this. It is very, very important task. Use of log table. Find the log of 5678.34 from log table. How can we use the log table? Here you can see the log table. This is the log table. In the earlier time we used this, but nowadays it is almost obsolete. Actually, this is the logarithmic table or log table. In almost all mathematics book, in the last page of all mathematics books you will find this, or you can buy this log table from different ways, in online, also offline mode. This is the logarithmic table. Here the mean difference after point, we can take this part, and this is the log table continuation, and here the anti-log, here the anti-log table, here 0.00 starting from 0.00, and in this way we can calculate large multiplication and division by using the log table in the earlier time. Okay, but nowadays it is almost obsolete. Okay, now find the log 5678.34 from log table. For convenient, log 5678.34 is almost 3.7542 by using calculator. But by using log table, we can use this. Actually, 3 point log of 5,478.34 is equal to 3.7542. It has two parts, coefficient that is 3 before the decimal point which is 3, and mantissa after the decimal point, that is 7542. We had already discussed in our earlier video what is coefficient and what is mantissa. We use the log table to find only mantissa, as characteristics can be found very easier by yourself. You know that log m into n is equal to log m plus n log n. So 5678.34 can be written as 56.7834 into 10 to the power 2. Now log of 5678.34 is equal to, we can write log 56.7834 plus log 10 to the power 2. Now log 10 to the power 2 is equal to 2, that is log m to the power n is equal to n log m. Now here comes to the main point, that is 56.7834. Here are the steps. In the log table, look at the row 5, 6. Here the log table in the row 5, 6. Okay. Then move to the right in the same of row until you reach the column 7. Here the 7. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 5, 6, 7, 6.7, and then 8. 5, 6.7 complete, and 8 after the 2 decimal point, 1 decimal point. 8 value is 6. 8 value is 6. Now it will be written as 0. After the 2 decimal point, it will be after 4 decimal point, 0.0004. Then add 0.7536 plus 0.0006, that is 0.7542. Okay, so we obtain the mantissa part. Okay, that is 0.7542. 0.7542. Now characteristics of log 56.7834 is on less than the number of digit has 2 minus 1. Actually this is 2 digit. So it will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now add the characteristics of mantissa. 1 plus 0.7542, that is 1.7542 in the sum up to the steps log 5678.34 is equal to log 10 to the power 2 plus log 56.7834, that will be 2 plus 1.7542, that is 3.7542. It is exactly this value. Okay, in this way we can use the log table. Now you can see also the use of log table here. Remember this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the log value? We can write 2.34 plus log 10 to the power 2. Here for 12 it will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. And here in the 12 come here up to 3, 12.3, and then 4. This will be the 4, 14 here. Okay, 0.0893 899 plus 0.0014, here 0.0014, so it will be 0.0913. Then as it is the 2 digit, then it will be 1 plus 0.0913, that will be 1.0913. Here we can get 2, these 2 will appear here, so 2 plus 1.0913, it will be 3.0913. In this way we can use the log table. Here is another example, 9876, here the 98.76, here the 98, okay, this value is 9834, here 0.9834, and for 3, for 6, this for 6 it is the 7, and for 6 here the 6 value is 3, actually 0.003, then the total value will come this. And for 98, 2 digit, 2 minus 1, that is 1, it will be added with it, then it will come to 1.9846, that is 2 plus 1.9846, that is 3.9846. In the same way, we can use the anti-log from log table. Suppose the anti-log of 0.98933, anti-log of 0.8933, that is 0.89 and 3, here the 3 and here the 3, it will be 7.816 plus 0.005, that will be 7.821. In this way we can use the logarithm and anti-logarithm table, though it is not used nowadays. Now come to the homework assignment. Answer the question in comment box in the video in YouTube. Question 1, what will be the log 2514 to the power 29? And question 2, log 214 to the power 21. And question 3, within the quotation a to the power p is equal to q, then log q base a is equal to p. You have to write, is the statement true, false, both true and false, neither true nor false. Any one of these 4 options, you have the 4 options and answer any one of it in the comment box. These 3 questions for video comment box, okay? And answer the question in our website theqzo.com. These are the long question and you can easily answer this if you minutely watch the video with pen and paper. Define the logarithm, explain the relation between exponent and logarithm, what are the main logarithms rule, explain with example. Question 2, what are the common and natural logarithm, what is E number, how can we use both these by calculator. And question 3, calculate division and multiplication by using the log function. Here A 7895 into 4257. You have to multiply and division both by using log function in calculator. 9865 and 857. Remember it, here 4 digit, here 3 digit, here also 5 digit and here 3 digit. Okay, all these number you have to calculate by multiplication and division by using log function in your calculator. Okay, after completing this task, go to the website theqzo.com. In contact page, click the button submit your homework and proceed accordingly. Share it to your classmate and concerned student group. It will be the best help in the pandemic period. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep your name with the video by like and comments. Thank you so much, and best wishes from me for your coming exam. Thanks again.